Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing agriculture and why it's crucial for the future of farming. With the world's population expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, we need sustainable farming methods to meet the increasing food demand. Artificial intelligence is the game changer we need. AI-powered precision agriculture helps minimize water and fertilizer usage. By monitoring soil moisture levels and other factors, AI can determine the exact amount of resources needed, reducing waste and cutting costs. AI can analyze historical weather data, helping farmers predict and adapt to droughts and other weather events. Artificial intelligence can also forecast crop yields and help farmers take proactive measures against pests and diseases. Artificial intelligence can automate repetitive tasks like planting, harvesting, and irrigation. Robotic weeders, AI-powered tractors, and drones for crop monitoring and spraying are just some examples of how AI is improving efficiency and reducing labor costs. AI is essential for sustainable agriculture. It helps optimize resource use, monitor soil health, reduce waste, and improve crop yields. As the world's population grows, AI will play a crucial role in solving the sustainability challenge. Despite its potential, AI in agriculture faces challenges like lack of access to technology, high costs, data privacy concerns, and ethical considerations. It's important to address these issues to ensure sustainable and ethical use of AI in farming. AI will continue to innovate agriculture with drones, autonomous vehicles, and AI-powered robots. These advancements will lead to even greater efficiency, sustainability, and crop management,